Changing the background color of an Instagram story while retaining a photo can be tricky, but it's oddly satisfying once you know the steps. It's that mix of aesthetic control and creativity, and when you get it right, it pops. First, open Instagram, head to your story, and upload the photo you want. It should fill the center space. Pain point here? The default background color is dull or sometimes just doesn't match your vibe. This is where the tweak comes in. Tap the three-dot menu on the top right of your screen and select Draw. Now here's the fun part. Pick the brush. I usually recommend the first brush solid, but the marker second works too. Choose a color from the palette at the bottom or use the eyedropper. The eyedropper lets you pick a color from your photo, which is chef's kiss for creating a streamlined look. Just hold down the screen to fill the background in your chosen tone. Here's the annoying part that trips people up. This beautiful custom color will cover your photo. But don't panic. Tap the eraser tool now and erase over the portion of the screen where your photo is. It's like revealing a hidden painting. Pro tip: keep your eraser strokes clean. If you're messy at the edges, it'll throw off the aesthetic. Adjust the size of the eraser to go for precision in tight corners. This, I've learned, makes all the difference between amateur and pro vibes. Sometimes when I'm working with text overlays or stickers, I'll adjust the transparency of the solid overlay as well. To do this, double-tap the brush you selected and slide the opacity. It gives the photo a warm tint without losing clarity. If you're adding text to your Instagram story, match the text color to the background or photo highlights using the eyedropper again. It delivers that seamless, curated aesthetic that big brands spend millions to create. Except you did it in 2 minutes. Don't forget to preview your story before posting. It's too easy to think you nailed it and then realize your alignment or colors are off. Instagram's preview screen lets you get that last quick look before hitting share. Another thing, save that story after you're done and keep it in your highlights. Why? If people compliment you later, you can repost it easily or even use it as creative inspo for future posts. Think of it as curating your brand. For variation, try gradients or semi-transparent overlays instead of flat fills. You can layer the eraser tool over the gradient background for a more dynamic look. Honestly, this tool is underrated for how much creative freedom it gives. Now you know how to own that background photo combo. It's not just about slapping colors on. You're creating mood, personality, and a visual story. People might not notice every detail, but trust me, they feel it. Always.